Hi everyone, welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making Desi Paneer. So it's paneer but made with a little bit of an Italian twist. Oil is heating in the pan, to which I'm going to add onions. Once the onions have turned pink, I'm going to add chopped garlic to it. I'm going to add chopped tomatoes. So right off the bat, as you can see, the flavors itself and the paneer that are going are a bit Italian, more on the continental side. We have onion, garlic, olive oil and tomatoes together. So this flavor combination itself is pretty Italian. I'm going to add my oregano, some fresh sage, and then now goes in my paneer. You don't want this to turn around a lot. Paneer doesn't really need to cook. अब मैं इसमें डालूंगा some salt and some cracked black pepper. Okay, now I'm going to serve this. It's ready. Desi Paneer is ready. This is very easy. It's a very healthy recipe. It doesn't require much and it tastes really delicious. So you can have this entire plate as a meal by itself for dinner, for example, which is supposed to be the lightest meal of the day. So you get your protein intake also, and it's not fattening at all, and it's healthy. I use olive oil, there's paneer, there's onion, garlic and tomato, nothing else, and really good. So try this recipe at home. I will see you in another episode with another easy recipe. Till then, like and subscribe and take care. See you. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making a pizza toast out of leftovers. We use bread, we use packaged pizza sauce, we have leftover seasoning, some cheese and just a little bit of herb for your hangover basically. So let's get started. Put some oil in the pan. Toss our garlic. Lightly brown the garlic. And then we'll add our pizza sauce. Slightly toss it with the garlic and then you just switch off the heat. Leave this here. Now let's get to the bread. So what we'll do is we'll cut off the sides. You could use these for breadcrumbs later on. Evenly spread this out. It's a nice, easy and delicious recipe for those times when you're lazy and you don't really want to cook. So before goes the cheese slice, goes the seasoning. And a little bit of white pepper. Use cheese slices because it's easier for this to melt in the oven. If you usually like grate cheese and do it, it'll take longer. But if you use this, it'll be quicker. So I'm going to put the oven to about 150. I'm going to put it for 10, but I will take it out as soon as the cheese melts. So the cheese has melted. So I'm going to take this out now. And let's cut into our pizza toast. Yeah, look at all that cheese. So I'm just going to chop some fresh parsley to put this on top. Nothing is complete without a little bit of olive oil. The pizza toast is served. Perfect food. When you're lazy and you want to eat a pizza, you don't want to order food, this is what you should be making.
So guys, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, and do not forget to comment in the comment section below. I will see you in another fun episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you take care. See you.